Swiss Alps in winter, a wonderland of snow and splendor, world's amazing natural wonders. In 2021, a team of researchers conducted a study on the happiest places on Earth. Not surprisingly, the stunning landscapes of Switzerland ranked among the top. During winter, the Swiss Alps transform into a magical wonderland, drawing visitors from around the globe to experience its pristine beauty and thrilling adventures. Today, let's journey into the heart of the Swiss Alps and uncover why it's a true paradise in the snow. Majestic landscapes and snow-covered peaks. The Swiss Alps are home to some of the most breathtaking mountain ranges in the world. In winter, the peaks are blanketed with glistening snow, creating postcard-perfect vistas. Iconic mountains like the Matterhorn, with its sharp pyramid shape, have become symbols of natural grandeur. For many, witnessing the Alps in winter is like stepping into a fairy tale. The sheer scale of these mountains, combined with the crisp, cold air and endless stretches of white, is awe-inspiring. Whether you're looking at the Alps from a cozy mountain lodge or riding a gondola up to the highest peaks, the views are unforgettable. Skiing and snowboarding adventures. The Swiss Alps are synonymous with world-class skiing and snowboarding. Resorts like Zermatt, Verbier, and St. Moritz offer some of the best slopes on the planet. Zermatt, in particular, is renowned for its year-round skiing and its proximity to the Matterhorn. What sets Swiss ski resorts apart is their impeccable infrastructure. High-speed lifts, meticulously groomed trails, and a range of difficulty levels make them accessible to everyone, from beginners to seasoned pros. And for those who prefer something different, there are options like heli-skiing, where a helicopter drops you off on untouched powder for a once-in-a-lifetime descent. Picturesque villages and alpine charm. Nestled among the towering peaks are charming Swiss villages that look like they belong in a snow globe. Places like Grindelwald, Wingen, and Zermatt exude warmth and hospitality, with their traditional chalets, cobblestone streets, and festive lights. During winter, these villages come alive with Christmas markets, offering everything from handmade crafts to hot mulled wine. Walking through these markets, surrounded by snow and twinkling lights, is an experience that captures the spirit of the season. The locals' warmth and the cozy atmosphere make these villages feel like a home away from home. Scenic train rides through the Alps. For those who prefer to soak in the beauty of the Alps at a leisurely pace, the scenic train rides are an absolute must. The Glacier Express, often called the slowest express train in the world, takes passengers on an 8-hour journey through 91 tunnels and across 291 bridges. Imagine sitting in a warm, glass-roofed train car as you glide past frozen waterfalls, snow-covered forests, and dramatic mountain passes. The Bernina Express is another iconic route, winding through UNESCO World Heritage landscapes. These train journeys are not just modes of transportation, they're experiences that highlight the unparalleled beauty of the Alps. Unique winter activities. Beyond skiing, the Swiss Alps offer a plethora of winter activities. Dog sledding through snowy trails is a magical way to explore the wilderness. Ice climbing on frozen waterfalls provides an adrenaline rush for adventure seekers. And for a more tranquil experience, snowshoeing allows you to wander off the beaten path and immerse yourself in nature. One particularly unique activity is staying in an igloo village. These temporary structures are built every winter and offer a chance to sleep under the stars in a room made entirely of snow and ice. It's an unforgettable way to connect with the alpine environment. Wellness and relaxation in the Alps. After a day of outdoor adventures, there's nothing quite like unwinding in a Swiss spa. Many alpine resorts feature thermal baths and wellness centers that combine relaxation with stunning views. Imagine soaking in a hot pool while surrounded by snow-capped peaks. The contrast between the cold air and the warm water is invigorating. The Swiss are also known for their holistic approach to wellness. From yoga retreats to therapeutic massages, the Alps provide the perfect backdrop for rejuvenation. It's a reminder that the Alps aren't just about thrill-seeking, they're also a sanctuary for the soul. Culinary delights in the Alps. No trip to the Swiss Alps is complete without indulging in its culinary offerings. Traditional dishes like fondue and raclette are perfect for warming up after a day in the snow. These meals are often served with locally sourced cheeses and accompanied by crisp Swiss wines. For dessert, nothing beats Swiss chocolate. Many alpine villages are home to artisanal chocolatiers who craft treats that are as beautiful as they are delicious. Sharing a fondue pot with friends or family while snow falls outside creates moments that linger long after the trip ends. Conclusion: the Swiss Alps in winter are more than just a destination. They're an experience that engages all the senses. From the towering peaks and thrilling slopes to the cozy villages and delectable cuisine, this winter wonderland offers something for everyone. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or simply a chance to marvel at nature's beauty, the Swiss Alps deliver a journey that's truly unforgettable. As the snow blankets the landscape, it transforms the Alps into a world of splendor, waiting to be explored.